almost done our little bear, and there was just a little opening here. I've started sewing it up, but I just want to show you how I'm doing this invisible stitch to sew it up. Sorry, it's a little bit shadowy because the sun is setting here, so I had to turn on the dining room light. But so you're just gonna, my thread is on this side over here, if you can see. So I'm just gonna go exactly opposite on the other side, and the fabric is folded in, if you can see that. So you want to go exactly opposite and then just take up a little bit of fabric and then pull. This is called the invisible stitch, or it's also known as the ladder stitch, because you can see that it's forming what looks kind of like rungs on a ladder. And then you're gonna go exactly opposite again here. And I'm using embroidery thread so that you guys can see it better in the video, but you can just use regular sewing thread as well. It's just a little bit thicker for the video. Okay, so same thing, you're just gonna get a little piece and pull. And then I wanna just show you. So you do a few stitches, and then when you pull it, see how it goes pretty invisible there. So I'm just gonna finish that opening using that ladder stitch. And yeah, that's how you close up the bear. Thanks for watching.